अच्छे लोग के साथ अच्छा होता है. I mean, आपने बोल दिया मतलब मैं अच्छा हूँ. तो राहुल भाई भी नहीं अच्छा है. देखो हम लोग काफ़ी राहुल भाई के लिए भी मैं बहुत खुश हूँ यार. उन्होंने इतना इंडियन क्रिकेट के लिए इतना कुछ किया है जब खेलते थे और अभी भी कोचिंग जब कर रहे हैं. पिछले 3 साल उन्होंने काफ़ी मेहनत किया है इस टीम के साथ. उनके जो इंस्टिंक्ट्स है उनको काफ़ी बार दबाने पड़े क्योंकि लड़कों का जो वेवलेंथ है वो मैच करना इतना आसान नहीं है. तो राहुल भाई ने अपने आप को दबाया, समझा कि लड़कों को क्या चाहिए, वो प्रायोरिटी आगे डाली. तो ये सब चीज़ करना किसी के लिए भी इतना आसान नहीं होता है. राहुल भाई ने वो चीज़ किया, पूरे टीम के लिए वो किया. उन्होंने समझा कि लड़कों को क्या ज़रूरत है, लड़कों को क्या देना ज़रूरी है. क्योंकि इवेंचुअली काम हम ही लोगों को करना है. राहुल भाई तो बैटिंग नहीं कर रहे. तो राहुल भाई का ये साथ देना टीम के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी था. और जैसे मैंने बोला कि उन्होंने इतने साल 3 साल एज अ कोच टीम के साथ इतना मेहनत किया है. जो लड़के नहीं भी है इस टीम में, जो घर में भी है, उनके साथ भी लगातार बात करते रहना, उनको बताते रहना कि क्या हो रहा है टीम में, कब क्या बातचीत हो रही है, तुम कब टीम में आ सकते हो, अगर आओगे तो तुम्हारा क्या रोल होगा. ये सब चीज़ राहुल भाई इतने स्टूडियस तो है ही. तो उन्होंने ये चीज़ पे सबसे पहले ये चीज़ पे ध्यान दिया था जब वो आए थे कि हमको लड़कों को बताना है कि उनसे हम क्या चाहते हैं. क्योंकि 11 के 11 लोग फोर्स है और वो फोर्स अगर एक साथ मिल के खेलेंगे तो एक बड़ा फोर्स बन सकता है. तो राहुल भाई ने उस चीज़ में काफ़ी साथ दिया, मेरा भी, और टीम को भी काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया.
Spoken in bits and pieces about the last 3 overs. We almost died in the press box. But I would like you to go through those 3 overs in the end and what was the talk that was going on and how was Hardik being motivated in the last over?
I think, the talk, strategy-wise, it was very simple to try and make them hit on the other side of the wind because the wind was blowing across the ground quite rapidly, and it was the average, and I don't know how much the average wind per hour and all of that was, but it was quite heavy. So the plan was to make them hit on the other side of the ground. And then obviously when Bumrah came to bowl that 18th over, as much as we wanted the wicket, we wanted to build that pressure as well on the opposition by bowling dot ball. So I had to get the fielders in the right place, getting the straighter fielders in, standing in front of the square, because I thought the nature of the wicket didn't allow batters to hit square of the pitch as much. It was easy to hit down the ground, and with Bumrah's angle, with the reverse swing coming in play a little bit as well, we knew that if we can bowl, if we can keep stumps in play as much as possible, the runs will be hard to come by as well. And if they make mistake by not getting the bat right where the ball is, there is a chance we can get a wicket as well. And Bumrah nearly knocked Miller off in the first ball, which he missed, and then he got wicket of Marco there. So that was crucial for us. That over was crucial, and then followed up greatly by Arshdeep as well. He gave a 3-over run, bowled a 3-over run, and then in the end it was 16 or 17 required. And then the plan was to just slightly go outside of Miller's arc, don't give him any hands, and yeah, Surya took a brilliant catch there, and then obviously it was just to bowl full to the other batters, not to give them any elevation. And it was very nice to see that Hardik was very calm as well. No matter how many runs is required, you still got to bowl that over and bowl it well as well. So for him to bowl that over and getting that crucial wicket of Miller also was a very important from team's standpoint.
Thank you.
Rohit, just that catch of Surya, like if you can just go through the emotions of him taking that catch and that weight, and do you think kind of this catch is on a par with Kapil's 83 catches?
Right, is that just T20s, just to check?
Yeah.
Just T20s international.
Yeah.
Can you just, so you'll still play ODIs and tests?
Very much.
When you sunk to your knees at the end, what was going through your head at that
Sorry?
point? When you dropped to your knees at the end after the final ball?
Oh yeah,
What
I
was,
was very emotional. Yeah, I wanted this badly. So very hard to.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.